Hi Pebbles viewers, welcome to your fourth and final lesson in your Basics of the Guitar series. In this class I will teach you a song using some of the chords that you've learned in the previous lessons. So if you haven't checked out the previous lessons, please be sure to check that out. And another thing I would want to mention is we haven't really covered everything that is to know in the guitar. We've covered very basic knowledge, and if you want to learn the guitar in depth, feel free to go to a guitar teacher and learn the proper way. So now we'll do a recap of all the chords that we've learned in the previous classes. So we'll start with the E minor chord. If you remember, this is what your E minor chord sounds like. Next, we'll move to the G major chord. And after that, we would do the E major chord. And then after that is the A major chord. After that would be your D major chord. And then your C major chord. Then would be your A minor chord. Then your D minor chord. And then finally your F major chord. The first chord in the verse is the G chord. And then we move to the E minor chord. Then the D chord. Then the C chord, and then to the G chord. And then we do that one more time again. So I'll repeat that progression once. So G, E minor, D, C, then go back to G. Again G, E minor, D, C, go back to G. So with that we're done with the verse of the song, and next we'll move on to the chorus. Okay, now we'll be learning the chorus, and the chorus again starts with the G major chord, D major, and then it moves to the E minor chord. And then you go to C, then go back to G major, D, and then C, and then back to G. I'll say that one more time. So first chord is the G chord, and then you go to the D chord, and then E minor, and then go to C major, and then again you go back to your G major, and then D, and then you go to your C major, and then G. So I'll play that entire thing for you once. So take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. I'll be playing the entire song once. Please try and keep up. If you can't, please practice and practice till you are able to play up to speed. Country road. Pebbles viewers, that was our last video in the basics of the guitar series. As I said in the beginning, this was only a basic overview of the guitar. If you really want to learn guitar, please feel free to find a teacher and then actually sit down and learn the chords and everything. Please like, subscribe and share our channel, and give a thumbs up to the video and comment on it. We also plan on doing a keyboard session just like the guitar session soon, so please stay tuned for that. But until then, bye.